Migepe ma ochung'ne wechego mago mag njore obiro kawo ondamo ne jakom mar duol mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati ma ondamo mar chike wi yande rocho gino mabende wacho ni koro en rocho yiero ma kinde ka kinde. Okil Willis Otieno mabende koro ochung'ne achiel kuom kweth ma yande no dhi e doho ka ne lose doho mar Supreme Court midhiambo ma kawuono owacho kanyo ni koro Chebukati yande no osechako nyiso paro ma ok ber ahinya kata pok yiero koro nochopo kendo koro lendo mar Chebukati ne en gima ne nitiere lwete kendo koro en mano yiero jalno bende koro nodwa lando wach ma bende wacho ni koro kolure kod chik kata matin.
He proceeded to conduct the elections in the way that he desired. What he ended up doing is what my grandmother Sophia Magambo calls Nairobi Karafu, pata potea. Nairobi Karafu to mean at the National Tallying Center. It is, and we've averted on our affidavit, the national person of the commission called both Raila Odinga and William Ruto. The whole day, nobody knew who the winner was. Even the commissioners didn't know the results because tallying had stopped. I refer to the affidavit of the 11th respondents. They have confirmed even them, they were concerned. Why has the open display stopped? Why are you not announcing the results per constituency as you were doing before? That is what I'm saying my grandmother calls Nairobi Karafu. And my niece Mimi calls Piki Piki Ponki Pakamielo Disco. Because he called both of them. He called both of them. And he was the only person who knew who the disco would land on. It could have been either of them. It could have been William Ruto, it could have been Raila Odinga. It fell on William Ruto and he says, voila, you are the president. Is that how we intend to choose our national executive? Why should the people suffer constant anxiety around elections that are being bungled when the courts have sounded themselves hoarse and loud on what is your role, what are you supposed to do, what technology to deploy, how to protect that technology, and he's not doing it? If you look at we've attached the PSC report, Public Accounts Committee reports, again, finds an indictment of the same person sitting in meetings where he's conflicted. Look at the KPMG report. The auditors are saying they are being given even the information requested so late in the day, on the 16th of June, for a register to be gazetted on the 20th of June. This was deliberate attempt to make sure that the election is compromised. Section 6 of the Elections Act required the register to be opened for inspection 90 days before the date, the notice of a general election. The notice came out on the 20th of January. The register ought to have been opened 90 days before the 20th of January for inspection. He didn't do it. He gave the auditors the report so late.